Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into a massive seismic shift that's completely shaking up the creative world right now. We're living in an era where artificial intelligence can generate full, complex visual campaigns in literally a matter of seconds. It's this wild fusion of cold, calculating machine logic and boundless human imagination, and it's completely reshaping how we think about art, branding, and creation. Let's dive right in.
So, will AI replace designers? It's the multi-million-dollar question, and honestly, it's causing some real existential dread across the industry. When you see machines whipping up logos, posters, illustrations, and whole marketing assets in the blink of an eye, you kind of have to stop and ask, are traditional design skills actually becoming obsolete? Is the human touch just fading away?
But before we can judge this man versus machine showdown, we really need to define our contenders.
First up, we have conventional design. This is deeply, fundamentally intentional. It's the traditional creative process that relies on years of human experience, hard-earned technical skills, deep research, and pure imagination to craft visual solutions. Every single choice, every color, every line, every font is made on purpose by a human being trying to solve a very specific problem.
And this process takes immense, multi-layered effort. It starts with heavy research and brainstorming to truly get what a client needs. Then comes sketching those early concepts out, mapping the structured layouts, and finally, doing the meticulous final production. It's a very deliberate journey. The best way to think about conventional design is like crafting a custom-made suit. It takes time. There are fittings, adjustments, and incredibly careful measurements. But the end result? It's perfectly tailored to fit exactly what is needed, and it's completely unique to the wearer.
Okay, let's look at our opponent, AI Generative Creativity. This approach relies on machine learning models that have been trained on massive, almost incomprehensible amounts of data. And the crazy part is, it allows anyone to generate new visual content instantly from simple text instructions, which we call prompts. You just type in something like, futuristic city at sunset with flying vehicles, and boom, the machine goes to work.
But here is the absolutely crucial point. It's all about how we frame this technology. Instead of viewing AI as some master artist coming to steal everyone's job, think of it more like having a hyper-fast creative assistant. It's a tool capable of instantly giving you hundreds of starting ideas without you needing any advanced design skills whatsoever.
All right, let's ring the bell for round one, the speed test.
10 minutes. That is roughly the amount of time it takes for someone to write a prompt, have the AI generate multiple, high-quality concepts, and then select the best result. It's just pulling output from thin air in a matter of minutes. When you compare the two side by side, it's pretty staggering. Conventional human design takes hours. Actually, scratch that. Hours, days, sometimes even weeks of deliberate execution, research, and refinement. AI generation happens in under 10 minutes. So, for rapid ideation, AI is the undisputed champion. But a quick warning before we move on. Speed does not automatically equal high quality.
Which perfectly sets up round two, the creativity battle.
See, true creativity is way more complex than just spitting out random visual options. It requires understanding really deep human emotions, solving nuanced problems, communicating very specific messages, and creating unique cultural experiences. Basically, true creativity is entirely about intention.
Human designers bring that intention, emotion, and cultural meaning to their work. AI tools, however, generate content based purely on learned visual patterns, completely without actual context. So while AI provides incredible inspiration for sure, human designers easily win this round by providing authentic meaning and real emotional storytelling.
Moving right along to round three, quality and accuracy.
In the professional world, accuracy is everything. Conventional design excels at maintaining strict brand consistency. AI generation? Well, it frequently struggles with complex context and typography. It's the classic issue where AI turns a simple headline into alien hieroglyphics or spells the word coffee with 3 Fs. For exact requirements and strict client guidelines, human expertise is absolutely essential, no question.
And now for the big one, round four, cost and value. There's some real nuance here. AI tools dramatically reduce basic production costs. If a small business just needs a quick social media mockup or a simple graphic, AI handles it for practically nothing. However, human designers drive high-value strategic business impact. For complex advertising campaigns and long-term brand strategy, professional designers deliver unmatched value that AI just can't replicate. AI cuts the basic costs, sure, but humans create the true business impact.
Let's step back and look at the evolutionary tale. When we pull all this together and look at the breakdown, you realize the strengths and weaknesses of both sides actually complement each other perfectly. Humans bring strategy and originality, but at a higher cost and slower pace. AI brings unbelievable speed and automation, but struggles with context and fine details. Humans are your go-to for high-value branding. AI is your go-to for rapid ideation. It's like they're two halves of a giant puzzle. And that brings us to the ultimate conclusion of this whole explainer. The future doesn't belong to just humans, and it definitely doesn't belong to just AI. The winning formula is human creativity plus AI efficiency. The future is going to be dominated by professionals who know exactly how to merge their deep human imagination with rapid machine logic. Just think about the tangible, real-world benefits for creatives who actually adopt AI instead of running from it. By embracing it, designers can work much faster. They can generate infinitely more concepts in an instant, which means they can serve a much larger client base. And honestly, the best part? They get to stop doing all the boring, repetitive tasks and focus purely on high-level strategy and true creative direction.
There is a quote from our source material that hits the nail right on the head. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. That completely reframes AI from being this hostile invader into a powerful, magnificent amplifier of human potential. It changes how professionals work, but it absolutely does not replace the professional. So I want to leave you with one final provocative thought. As this technology keeps evolving at breakneck speed, where are the true boundaries? Will traditional design skills always remain irreplaceable because of that special human touch? I'd really love for you to reflect on that. What does the future actually hold for the human element in art? Thank you so much for exploring this fascinating topic with me today. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.